In question number 5, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. 2 points are given. So 1 and minus 5 and minus 4, 5. These 2 points are given. So one is given 1 and minus 5, and other one is given as minus 4, 5. Minus 4, 5. Now, so what we have to do that so if you join these 2 points, you will see that in some point that x, it will intersect with the x-axis. Okay, so it is asked that at what ratio this line is intersected by the x-axis. So here one main thing, so that by x-axis means here in this point there will be some x values of this on x-axis, but y value will be 0. So here main point is that y coordinate will be 0. So that means this point will be expressed as a x comma 0. Okay, so with this, so now these 2 points are given. So now with that you should apply y formula. Okay, because x value is unknown, so only y value, with the you have to use the y formula. What is the y formula here? Y formula is that y equals m on y2 m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the y coordinate point formula. Okay, with this formula, now once you replace the value here, so with this formula I'll replace the value here. Y is equals 0 here. Okay, so put 0, and m1 we don't know, we have to find the ratio. So m1 into y2, m1 into y2. So this is the first point, this is the second point. So here m1 into y2 is minus 5. Okay, plus m2 is also unknown, and value is 5, y value is 5 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so so that means this part became 0, and here minus 5 m1 plus 5 m2 and divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so now do the cross multiplication. 0 is 0 by 1. So now if you this multiply m1 into m2 into 0, it will be 0. So let us multiply this one. So this 1 into this one, so it will give minus 5 m1 plus 5 m2 is equals 0. If you multiply this will be 0. So from here let us put minus 5 m1, and this 5 m2 I'll take this side, other side of the equal sign, so minus 5 m2. So from here now m1 by m2 will be minus 5 by minus 5. So that means is equal to 1:1. So that means this answer will be m1 by m2 will be m1. So this will be 1. So 1 by 1 minus 5 by minus 5 is 1 by 1. That means m1 into m2 is 1:1. So here this m1 and this is a m2, so this answer become 1:1. Okay, and it has also second part, find the coordinate of the point of division. Okay, now it is m1 and m2 is find out 1:1. Now we have to find the point. So here 0 is already, because it is on x-axis, so only you have to find x values. So for x values, take the x formula. For x values, take that x formula. I'll write x formula here. X formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So put the value, m1 is 1 and x2 is 1 plus m2 is 1 and x1 is minus 4 by m1 equal to 1 plus 1. Okay, so continue the calculation. So 1 and here it is minus 4 by 2. So this point became minus 3 by 2. So this coordinate x, value of x became minus 3 by 2 and other point is 0. So this is the point of intersection.